Ever wondered how your garden could benefit from recycling? Imagine breathing new life into discarded items, transforming them into unique garden adornments. Not only does this spark creativity, it also aids our environment. Ready to turn your trash into garden treasure? Stay tuned. Here are the top 5 ways to creatively use recycled materials in your garden. First on our list, transform those old tires sitting in your garage into vibrant planters. With a bit of paint and some soil, your tires can be the new home to flourishing flowers or even your favorite herbs. Secondly, why not turn a disused ladder into a vertical garden? This is an excellent way to save space and add a rustic touch to your outdoor landscape. You can plant a variety of herbs or flowers on each rung for a beautiful living display. At number 3, we have the idea of crafting a bird feeder from a plastic bottle. Not only does this provide a haven for feathered friends, but it also helps in reducing plastic waste. Fourthly, consider using an old wheelbarrow or a broken pot as a unique garden planter. These items can be great conversation starters and add a unique twist to your garden's aesthetics. Finally, at number 5, why not turn old wooden pallets into a compost bin? It's the perfect way to dispose of your kitchen and garden waste while creating rich soil for your plants. With a bit of creativity, the possibilities for using recycled materials in your garden are endless. Now that you're armed with these unique ideas, it's time to dive in. Imagine the joy of transforming everyday items into wonderful garden additions, not to mention the environmental benefits. It's not only about creating a beautiful garden, but also about making a positive impact on our planet. The process is fun, rewarding, and a great way to express your creativity. Remember, your garden is a canvas, and recycled materials are your paint. So go ahead, start painting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.